So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text all uppercase letters or capitalized only letters here on Visme. So first thing you have to do is add some text to your document. So to do this, you go to the top left, press on the text icon right here, and I'll just type in the word uppercase, just like that. I will then make it a little bit larger so you guys can see it. Or sorry, what I'll do actually is I'll type in the word, but I'll make it in all lowercase letters. So that's easier to see the change here. So it's all lowercase letters right now, pretty straightforward. Now to change this, press on the text, go to the top left and press on edit right here. Go to this option right here, this is more, and press on it to get the drop down menu. So there's spacing, fill in border, transform, especially want to go ahead and press on transform right here. Now it's actually on default automatically, and if you want to go uppercase only, press on uppercase, and now it changes the text to uppercase letters only. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can make text only uppercase letters here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.